Hey everyone! Today, we will show you how to change your password on Spotify. This is useful if you want to improve your account security or update an old password. To get started on Spotify.com, click your profile icon in the upper right corner. You will see your name there. Then, click on it and go to your settings. Once you are in settings, scroll down until you see the option to change your password. If you do not see it, select Account instead. From there, scroll down until you find the Change Password option. You will find it right here. Click on it under Security and Privacy. Now, enter your current password, your new password, and confirm the new password. Once you are done, save your new password. And that is it. You now know how to change your password on Spotify.